welcome back to my channel. So for today's video, I'll be sharing with you my thoughts about the new Issy and Company makeup line. If you want to know how I created this look, just keep on watching. So they sent me this a few days before the launch. This is in collaboration with Alex Gonzaga. Alam ko siya talaga lahat ang pumili ng shades na meron sa collection na to. They made sure that all shades will suit all Filipino skin tones. So I got 5 of these to try on. I'll be swatching these products and will also try this on my face to see how it really looks. Got my name on it. So I will create a look using their cream blush, highlighter slim stick, and lip mousse. Yeah, there you go. And now we're going to jump onto the cream blush. So I got one of the 5 shades. This is the Stunner. So this is how it looks like. The packaging is really nice and compact. The other shades are Good Girl, Femme Rose, Fever, and Scandal. So this retails for 349 pesos. So let's swatch it at the back of my hand. Ito yung kulay niya. I think this is the second to the darkest shade. This shade is on the warm side. Para siyang burnt orange. Let's try it on. Just did one dip. Okay, let's try. Oh. Okay, since it's a cream, baka isipin nyo na malagkit siya. But surprisingly, it is not. Hindi rin siya powdery. So it will really give you that second skin-like finish. See the difference? So this is blendable, buildable, and it is formulated with SPF. So it can give you additional sun protection. So this is how the first coat looks like. So let's add a second layer para mas may buhay yung face. I'm really a fan of drunk blush. Yan, gusto ko yung in-extend ko siya dito sa nose. I don't know, but feeling ko ang ganda ko. Too much. And okay akong maglagay ng blush. Kasi acidic ako. So, makeup tends to change its color after a few hours. Sad. I can really say na maganda yung kulay. Papink ako sa blush. But this warm tone shade is an exception. Pwede. Very summer. So, I'm gonna use a pencil brush. I'll just apply this all over the lid to create a soft smoky. Okay. So that is Stunner as an eyeshadow. I love it. So next, let's move on to highlighter slim stick. So I got 2 of 3 shades. I have the Stellar and Celestial. I don't have the Cosmic, which I'm planning to buy kasi mukhang maganda din yung kulay. So this is how much product you will get for 329 pesos. I'm going to swatch the Celestial first. Ito yung ultra fine pearlescent particles. I think this is their lightest shade. Next is Stellar. Here they are side by side, so you can see how they differ in color. Parang champagne color yung Celestial, whereas Stellar has a golden hue. So let's try the Celestial here and the Stellar on the other side. So I'm gonna put that on the cheekbone. So since this is so slim, you have to do more stroke to get the highlight that you want to achieve. Let's blend it. Ito yung may highlight. ito yung wala. So I don't know if that camera can pick that up, but in real life, it's so beautiful. It's very natural. Well, that's their promise naman. Tamang glow lang. And I love it. Let's try the stellar here on the other side. So alright, so this is gold. A bit darker than the celestial. So let's blend that out. I love how it is so natural. Hindi siya blinding highlight. Just enough to highlight the face. Let's go back to celestial and apply this to the hard to reach areas. So here, the inner corners. Parang feel ko siyang ilagay sa lid. Para kunwari may instant glow. And here, sa tip of the nose. Here. There you go. The good thing about this is that the slim pen makes it easy to highlight the hard to reach areas. So like your tear duct, you can put it under the eye if you want to. I like it. It's very natural. If you just can see it in person, tama lang siya. Alright. And last but not the least are the lip mints. I don't know, but I really get excited kapag lipstick and eyeshadow na yung pinag-uusapan. Alright, so they have 6 shades. They are Babe, Rom-Com, Fiancé, Rose Brown, Smoked Blush, and Private. So I got 2 of them, which are Babe and Rose Brown. This retails for $399 and you will get 4.5 ml. Not bad. So it says here that it imparts ultra intense yet weightless color. It is formulated with rosehip oil, vitamin E, and it also has SPF 15. Same with the cream blush. So let's swatch the Babe first. So this is how it looks like at the back of my hand. I think this is their lightest color. Next is Rose Brown. Rose Brown is the 4th color. Okay, so let's try Babe first. It's really nice. I just did 1 dip for the whole lips and it really delivered that intense color. It's very opaque and it's very lightweight. It's not tacky. Alright, so let's mix it with Rose Brown to create a gradient effect. Then dab ko lang to blend. Okay. Alright, so I'm gonna remove this and try this Rose Brown alone. Alright, so this is the first coat. So I just applied on the lower lip and then just blend it. Alright, so let's try naman kapag full na yung color. Dark. Hindi ako fan ng red lipsticks. But I would rather go for a deep nudish brown, just like this shade. This is something that I can wear. I love this shade. And I love how it instantly whitens my teeth. Look at that. Alright, so this is the complete look using the new Issy and Company makeup line. So I just added eyeliner and mascara. So I also put one coat of Babe on top of the rose brown. Alright, that's it for now. I hope you enjoyed watching this video. And if you want more of this, let me know in the comment section below. And if you want to see me again next time, hit that subscribe button. Again, this is Mike, and I'll see you again soon. Bye!